Hello, my sweet, sweet doll faces. I wanted to share with you my Mother's Day gift guide. I am getting to be celebrated as a mother for the second year this year, and I just wanted to share the gift guide that I would like to be receiving these gifts or have received these gifts that I think are really great. There are so many different personalities in every mom, between my mom, my mother-in-law, and the grandmothers, great grandmothers-in-law, everyone has a different personality. So aside from having Mariposa create something for them as a little keepsake, gifts are vastly different for each of them. So I was instead of trying to deal with all of the different personalities, I'm just going to go with what I would like to receive or what I have received. So if you're a glam, it doesn't even matter if you're a glam mom or not, but we are into homemaking, self-care, and our families, and romanticizing life and making things pretty. So first thing on my list that I've been slowly integrating into the kitchen, because I absolutely love to cook, and I recently found Mackenzie Childs pink check cookware, servingware stuff. So while I have a ton of different really pretty cups in the house, in the kitchen, and different plates and spoons and fork, I have all these things, I've been wanting to upgrade and doll up my things that I use every day. So these pink checked glass cutting boards are so beautiful, so fancy, and glass, toxic free, so much easier than dealing with plastic or even wood, because I do use plastic occasionally, don't get me wrong, but I went for the wood thing, and those are so hard to take care of. So I'm so happy that I found this glass cutting board set, and it's beautiful. So it just elevates the everyday, whether you're just cutting up some strawberries for a little snack or getting ready for a Mother's Day brunch, who knows. Her serving bowls, the Mackenzie Childs serving bowls, we make a bag salad just about every day, and we just have these silver mixing bowls. I want to doll up everything. I want these bowls just to freaking make salad in. It doesn't have to be a fancy occasion. It doesn't have to be this. It doesn't have to be that. But to just make a bag salad into this gorgeous bowl is so elevated and lovely. And there's this tall one and the short one and this fluted one. And I want them all. I love them. They're so beautiful. I will have everything linked down below, by the way. And if for whatever reason you don't like to order from YouTube links, please follow me on my to know it app. I will have all of those links there for you too. It really helps me out, and it costs you absolutely no extra. And I would also like to remind you to always check Google for discount codes for any of this stuff, even if you I'll say if I have a discount code for something, but this way you're saving money and you can help support me, which means the world to me. You guys do not know how giddy it makes me to see that you guys are ordering things that I've worked hard to curate on my to know it, or whatever. If you're ordering it from YouTube or whatever, it really supports me and makes me feel incredible. Okay, back to our list, our gift guide. This bag is the ultimate gorgeous bag. I don't care who you are, what you use it for. It's a pool tote with a pink bow, but I'm gonna be trying to use it for everything. You could use it as a diaper bag. I probably won't because it's clear, so the diaper bag makes me feel I don't want it to be clear, but as a beach bag, as a picnic bag. We're gonna be taking picnics. It's summertime. We're gonna be having Moon Dance, which is this local music amphitheater for outside every Friday, and we're gonna be taking this as a picnic bag, putting all of our snacks in, taking it to the pool, taking it to the beach. Actually, I'm gonna take it on our beach vacation, but I don't think I'm gonna take it to the actual beach because I don't want to get this glorious fabric sandy. I'm kind of ridiculous with certain things. But I also got the matching like phone Ziploc waterproof case thing that also has a bow, and I didn't realize that the bag came with like a basic little Ziploc waterproof thing for your phone, but this one's way cuter. And anytime I've seen people with these, they're not cute, and I'm like, that is so ridiculous. I would rather not have my phone, or like take like a sandwich bag to the beach and like the pool to keep your phone protected. No, this one is so much cuter, and you can wear it like a little, like a side bag or something. Like, I'm gonna look ridiculous, but like I'm gonna look cute and ridiculous, so it's okay. All right, this is for any mom that has fed their baby. It's breast milk jewelry, but I think even if you didn't do breast milk or couldn't for some reason, I think it would be really sweet of you to take like a pinch of the formula that you fed your baby and make formula jewelry, because you fed your baby, you're a mother, like you deserve to be recognized for everything and all the sacrifices you've made. But I love my breast milk jewelry. I put it with my Tiffany heart necklace, and it's just like a little heart charm, but I mean, you can get earrings, any pendant, rings, like the possibilities are endless, or like a paperweight. You can do anything. But I think the breast milk jewelry, like the one I got was a DIY, like I ordered it off Etsy, and she sent me all the things and I followed the directions and did the stuff, whatever. I'm gonna do it again with our second daughter because I'm pregnant again, and I think that's just like it was just really special, because you put so much work into breastfeeding or pumping or formula feeding. Like none of it's like easier than the other. There are sacrifices and happy sacrifices, but I think it's a really beautiful way to memorialize it. So even if you take some formula, I think that's really special too. Okay, this is ridiculous, but it's inexpensive. But this straw Birkin bag has brought me so much joy. I will be taking this to the beach and the pool with us too. But it's just like a small little bag. It's perfect for the spring and the summer. You can get it to say anything, and why I have never thought to put like a designer name on just like a random ass thing is beyond me. But I got the idea from Born on Fifth, Emily Hertz. She is the one that I found this from. Again, it's just on Etsy. I got this this straw tote and I put Birkin on it, and so now it's my Birkin bag. And honestly, it's way cuter than the actual Birkin bag. Is there anyone else that like doesn't think the Birkin bag is actually that cute? I don't think it is. I don't even think I would buy a fake Birkin. A Firkin. Leave your comments below if you love a Birkin or you hate it, or if you could afford one, because you're in a different league. Okay, another item on the list for the something about motherhood has turned me into such a robe person, and I have this giant fluffy one for like the winter, but it's starting to warm up and I'm pregnant, so I'm like just hotter in general, and this one's so much more luxurious. But this robe from Nothing Fits But in this like blue toile is so beautiful, so romantic, so lovely. I love wearing it. I love to wear it. It looks so fancy, whether I'm just throwing it over pajamas, a t-shirt, like whatever. It's lovely. So, and I'll wear this on the back deck in the mornings whenever I make my coffee, and Mariposa needs to go outside straight away first thing in the morning to play in her water table. And yeah, it's nice and light, so I don't get so hot immediately like I do my big giant fluffy one, which is basically a blanket. Okay, last but not least are these bracelets by Gems by Laura. Mariposa has been wearing her Gems by Laura bracelet, which was a gift to us from a friend when I was pregnant with her. And Mariposa just like one day started being into bracelets, and I was like, oh, I've got this one, let me just put it on you. And I'm not even joking you, we don't take it off unless we need to like size it up, which there's a couple chains or like little chain lengths so that we can make it bigger. And so this year Carter's getting me my own matching one. It's like we're gonna get the freshwater pearl one, and I'm gonna do silver. Her chain is gold. I'm allergic to gold. And then I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna size her bracelet up so that her little sister can have the smallest size, which is what she has right now. So we are all going to be matching with our little freshwater pearl bracelets. That makes my heart so happy. Mariposa, like, she loves her bracelet. Anyone that ever meets her, like, is obsessed that she's got her little bracelet. Seriously, if we take it off to, like, resize it, she freaks out. Like, she is a girly girl. She is our jewelry girl. Even if I had a little boy, I was gonna get him a matching one. And I was like, Carter, I was like, you should really get a bracelet with us. And he was like, it's a sweet idea, but I'm not wearing a pearl bracelet around. So I hope this gift guide was helpful. Happy Mother's Day.